gentlemen, boys and girls. I forgot my line. What's up? Welcome to the fourth episode.
Fourth episode, that's it,
Hey
man.
everybody, what's up? Welcome back to Stars. And today is a long-awaited episode. As today we are collaborating with the Anand Show, Rohit's Flavor House, and Panda Girl. So today the surprise is finally ended, and obviously the Anand Show has won between Mia Animates.
Hello, Ronnie. Hello, Panda Girl.
Hello.
How are you guys?
So today we're not talking about celebrities or billionaires. We're talking about two creators who turned YouTube into a battlefield.
Thank you.
Huh?
Pause. Questions, man. Why? Cut. Hey, you think this is cool?
Everybody. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Stars. This is a long-awaited episode, and we are collaborating with the Anand Show, Rohit's Flavor House, and Panda Girl. So afterwards, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Stars.
ఏంట్రా
ఎందుకు
వై
రోలింగ్ కెమెరా ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నావు?
కృతిక అండ్
రోలింగ్ యాక్షన్